This is a look at what's going on, current conditions across the area. 63 Santa Maria, 62 San Luis, 72 right now in Paso Robles, Lompoc 62 and 66 in Santa Barbara. And the winds right now at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Some gusts close to 30. We do have an air quality alert for the Nipomo Mesa area when the winds pick up like this and there's some activity along the dunes. It does blow up some air and particulate matter into the Nipomo Mesa area, and so folks with sensitive breathing conditions can have some difficulty on days like today. Here's a look at Paso Robles and our hourly forecast for tomorrow. Winds northwest in the afternoon about 15, but look at those daytime highs back into the mid to upper 80s. San Luis Obispo getting into the low 70s, but the afternoon winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour again. Santa Maria, you're looking at low 50s to start, back up to the upper 60s by afternoon. We have seen some low cloud coverage start to push in tonight. It's going to be patchy, I think, and this kind of wind flow pattern should mix most of it out in the afternoon tomorrow. So it's interesting here. We have a ridge off to our east. We have a trough off to the west. And being in the middle of that means that we're going to have occasional wind. Now, as we get into the weekend, this trough moves through the west. It's going to sling a cold front through here late Friday night into Saturday. Saturday afternoon's winds could be 15 to 30 with some wind gusts in the passes and canyons of Santa Barbara County, could be close to 50 miles per hour. That'd be a time to look for something in the way of advisories. And then early next week, this ridge of high pressure starts pumping back up into the west. And as that happens, we're going to see the return of some interior heat back into the mid 90s on Monday and Tuesday. But until then, we kind of go up and down again. Friday up, and then that cold front comes through into the weekend to provide some relief. So here across the west, pretty quiet right now. Moving down to the south, we have Tropical Storm Aletta, and what's going to happen with that? It's going to move off to the west. It's going to strengthen into a hurricane, but then die. Right behind that, potentially we could see the formation of a tropical system named Bud. This would either be a tropical storm, probably not a hurricane. Looks like it falls apart, but the leftovers of both could get drawn into California late next week for some muggy conditions. That's something to watch. Okay, let's watch the forecast here. Overnight lows tonight. 48, 50 degrees around the Paso Robles, San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria area. You can see the daytime highs tomorrow, really microclimates in play. Mid-60s Santa Maria, low 70s San Luis Obispo, and mid-80s up in Paso Robles. Mid-60s for the south coast to low 70s. 81 Cuyama, 76 at Santa Ynez. In the 5 cities, mid to upper 60s. Again, that afternoon breeze should wipe out the early clouds. So it's a day similar to today, starting to warm in the interior a bit. Extended forecast comes up a little bit. Again, windy as we get into the weekend. Next week starting to warm, especially inland. Stay right there. We're back after this.